So guys, hello everyone. So I was gonna upload a video about the change in the weather. When I came here, it was first May, and I saw a different thing. I mean, I saw one thing, and now within 7 to 10 days, everything has changed a lot. So I was making a video on that. But in the meantime, someone from Kolkata commented in my video, like, please tell me how to get a visa from Kolkata. I need a visa and I don't know the process. So this video is going to be on that because, yeah, and this is a short video because I'm just going to tell about how to get your visa if you are from Kolkata. Okay, because I am also from Kolkata and I got my visa. I am in St. Petersburg right now. So I will try to share as much as I can, as much as I know. So yes, I guess it is recording because I'm using this feature for the first time. So as you can see, I'm in Google Chrome. So now I will just search Kolkata. Yeah, Russian embassy in Kolkata. So you can see this. So simply go to this one or this one. Maybe this one is more convenient because informations are available uh, in a quite good manner. So I clicked on this. So now you can see Russian Visa Center, and here are the important informations. You can see like consular service. You can see visa to Russia, visa information, Russian Visa Center, migration card, tax. These are not necessary for you. So only this is what you need, visa information. But I'll get to that later. So for now, Russian Visa Center in Kolkata. You can see the address here. Located at Rene Tower, 4th floor. This is just near Acropolis Mall. So this is the number. Note it down because they will answer your every question regarding your visa. Any kind of questions they will answer you, like what are the documents that you need to bring and how to do each and everything. They will answer you. So I also did the same. I called this number and they guided me with the steps. So the thing is, now here are some informations you can read if you want, but I will give this link in my description and also this number. So here, consulate general and the consular service. Now I'm going to visa information. So what do you see here is visa information. To enter Russian Federation, citizen of the Republic of India need a visa. Yes. So visa free entrance to the Russian Federation is granted to holders of diplomatic and official passport period of 19. So you can read all this. So the types of visa you can get is transit, and otherwise. So you can see this information over here. So in order to obtain a Russian visa, it is recommended to apply through official Russian visa center established to enhance the quality of service. So yes, and what they say, due to the COVID-19, the process of direct submission of visa document to the Consulate General is temporarily suspended. So this is the important news. It means like you cannot go directly to the Consulate General. You have to go via VSF. So yes, they will charge you a lot of money. Like I don't know if this is because of this pandemic or they always charge this much. But yes, this is how it is. For me, I bought because you will also have to take the delivery because they won't allow you to go there to take your visa. So for that you have to pay 500 and their total fee will be 9,000 something. And yes, so you can round it up like 10,000 because yes, 10,000. So just go through the link and you can see document pre-check, apply by post, premium service lounge, premium slot service. So I don't know if I don't know due to the condition of India, do they allow now? to go there by person for applying your visa? Because I don't know now, because when I applied for my visa I went there by person and I got my visa at my home delivered within 7 or 8 days. Yes, but I don't know because of the condition now in India if they allow or not. Anyway, you can call that number and you can ask by yourself like what are they doing and how you can go and apply. So you have to do these things by yourself. So which type of visa you are searching for? So I was a student, I will show this one. So these are the options, you can go through all this. So I will go to study visa. So you can see these options: apply by post, apply in person. So when I clicked on this apply in person option, so there was some error while I was choosing something like I forgot. Let's see. So purpose of visit, fill online form, visit the application center. So these are the steps. So fill online form. I will click open that in another tab. So India, choose language English. So now you can I have read this information. Complete new application form. So please write down your electronic visa application form ID. So this is your ID, you can see here, application ID. Control C and password like any. I have done it previously, so it has some password. So I will type anything. Mm-hmm. And now the captcha. GHLER. Submit. Identification of your number. This. So this one you can take a photo or you can copy this. So just click on this one. Next. So now there is the form, you have to fill it up. Your nationality is Indian. Yep. If you had USSR or Russian nationality sometimes, so if you had, then yes or no. Purpose of visit. So here you can see the problem. So guys, sorry for interrupting, but the thing is I now saw while editing that my screen recorder, maybe because of some security purpose, didn't record the options. When, for example, when I click on nationality, the website gave me an option, list of options like India, Bangladesh, etc. List of countries. And the same, when I click on purpose of visit, they show me options like study, business, or I forgot the list of options. So the thing I was talking here is, so the thing I was telling here is when you click on the link from the apply by person option, so it takes you to the form fill up section as I shown in the video. So in here your purpose of visit section has a glitch. So when you click on the purpose of visit option, it doesn't show you any option at all. You need to choose one to continue, but when you click on the apply by person option, it has the problem. So just go to the apply by post, and it is the same form to fill up the online form. So it's the same, apply by post, apply by person, the form is the same, exact same. I also did the same thing. So I went to the apply by post option and I filled up, and then when you click on the purpose of visit section, it will show you the options. So yes, so you have to fill it up from there, and then you can go to the consulate or you can apply by post. So whenever you will click with you will try to apply with your by person, so this will happen. So don't worry, just cross it. So just click on apply by post, and it's the same, fill online application form. it will take you to the same website and same thing. So you will choose India. Where is it? India. India. Language English is the same. Is the same thing. It will do all the things I have read. Complete new application form. I guess. Yep. So click on next, and now your nationality is Indian. India. No. Purpose of visit. Now you see there are full list of options. Purpose of visit, study, visa category and type, common educational, number of entries, if you are doing only for yourself or you are doing for many. So yes, I did only for myself, so single. Date of entry into Russia, wrote here 25th of April, but I entered Russia at 1st May, so that's not a problem. Date of exit. So in here, what you need to do is you have to have your invitation from your college if you are a student, or and if you are a tourist just want to visit Russia. I think you have to contact some travel agent in Russia. They will give you a invitation. So without invitation, I don't know that if you can enter Russia, but I what I know is without invitation you cannot. So in invitation there will be the number, date of exit from Russia. So you have to put it. So in my case it was 15th of June, or I forgot. So when you will just fill it up like 10th of October maybe to 31 December 21 15 next. So fill this all up as it was in your passport, and then you can see passport details here, visit details, and there are miscellaneous informations, appointment details. So yes, after you are done with all the steps, take an appointment, and yeah, go with your go with your form. So it was the full process how you apply in not apply actually, how you fill the online form. But that's not the only thing. So after you fill up the form, it will show you the complete information that you have filled up. So you just need to check it once again because it's your visa. So you have to be careful about it. So just check it once, like if all the informations are correct or not. So if all the informations are correct, you download it and you take a printout, and there will be place to attach a photo. So the dimension of the photo is, I have the page opened, so it should be 3.5 into 4.5 centimeters, and your face, visibility of your face should be 60% of your whole image. I mean, how can I say, if you must have your passport, so see in your passport the photo should be like that, not exactly the same photo in the passport, but your photo should be like that. So, because I did the same mistake, I took a normal photo from a local studio and I attached that photo, but it doesn't work because they won't tell you in here like your photo should be like that. And I went there and I had to click photo from there, and it's costly. It was 200 rupees. Yes, it was 200 rupees for 6 photos only. So yes, and if you, and that's it. And what else do you need is your letter of invitation. Your invitation letter you will get from your travel agent or agent from Russia, or if you are a student, you will get one from your university. Because I got one from my university. And your original passport. Yes, this is mandatory because they will keep your passport. And one Xerox copy of your passport. I mean, photocopy of your passport front page and back page. And the form I just showed, you have to take a printout of this form, and you have to attach the photo in there, and you have to sign and put the date. And one more thing, you have to take your HIV test report, and in that HIV test report there should be your passport number, your date of birth, and a stamp, not the watermark, a stamp, a blue or red stamp of that diagnostic center or the lab from where you will do your test. So without any of this, if they find like there is no stamp or there is no passport number, they will not accept your test report. Okay, because this is mandatory. You will have to do all this. I did this. I know this is tough, but you have to manage it somehow. Like you have to pay more, or I don't know, but you have to do it. And that's all. And I will attach this photo, what you need to, I mean your checklist, in my video. So yes, that was all about how can you apply visa from Kolkata. And I did only for Kolkata because I am sure about this. I don't know about all other cities in India. So when I will get more sufficient information about all the cities, like all over India, I will make another video about how to get your visa for Russia. So that was all for today. I hope it will help you to get a visa from Kolkata. And if you want to know anything or anything else about study and anything, you can just ask me in the comments, or you can ask me in my Instagram. You can text me there, and yes. So thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye bye.